Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I want to show all the Pi pioneers how to protect your wallet from scammers and hackers that are out there. So there's been a lot of complaint in the Pi community that a lot of pioneers is complaining that they've lost their wallet access and they've lost their token to scammers. So I want to show all the Pi pioneers how to actually protect your wallet from scammers by activating two-factor authentication on your wallet. So what this does is, once you activate the two-factor authentication, you always need to verify your transactions with a code that will be sent to your email that you'll be using on the two-factor authentication. So this way is going to be difficult for scammers to actually make any transaction on your wallet without your permission. So if you are activating two-factor authentication, it's going to help your wallet security. So it's difficult for someone to have your wallet access and also have the access to your email to authenticate transactions. So if you activate two-factor authentication on your wallet, you have a higher chance of escaping scams and hacks. So I want to show you guys how to activate this two-factor on your wallet. And to do this, you actually need to do it from your Pi browser. The Pi browser, the one that is linked to your mining app, like on this my Pi browser, it's actually the browser that is linked to my mining app. So that's the best Pi browser to actually use in doing this. So once you open your Pi browser, you need to click on this home button that is at the top center of the Pi browser. So you click on the home button to load the URL bar. So you need to go to piauth.site. So I'll be leaving this URL in the description of this video. I'll also be displaying it in the front of the screen for everyone to see. So it's actually piauth.site. This is an authentication tool that Pi team is actually developed to help Pi pioneers secure their wallet. So once you activate a two-factor authentication on your wallet right here now, you need to be authenticating transactions before you make them. So once you want to, let's say you want to send a token to someone, you need to get a code on your email before you can complete the transaction. So that way is going to add a two-layer security on your wallet. So once you open piauth, and this is what you're going to see. You just need to click on this get started, or you can click on the menu and connect your wallet. So I just click on get started. Now it brings me here. I need to connect my wallet. So I need to put my 24-word passphrase. So I've already copied this password on my clipboard. I'm going to be pasting it here. Please, I'll be blurring this side. I wouldn't want you guys to see my password. So I'll paste my passphrase here. And after that, I'll now click on unlock with passphrase. So it brings us to the authentication page here now. So right here now, we need to impute the email that we want to use for this authentication. So this email now is going to be the email where you're going to be receiving the authentications from. So whenever you want to make a transaction, a code will be sent to this email for you to be. When you get that code, now you now complete the transaction. So I'm going to put in my email here now. I'll input my email itself. And then I'll click on this button, this toggle button here. So that is it there. My two-factor has been activated now. So this is enabled. So anytime I'm trying to make any transaction on this my wallet right now, I'll need to get a code to this email right here for me to complete that transaction. So this way now is going to be difficult for anybody who doesn't have access to this my email to actually make any transaction on my Pi wallet. So that is it for this video, guys. Please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this from the core team and the crypto community at large. So thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.